Good morning. Happy Sunday. Welcome to the vlog. I am getting ready to light my favorite candle, Bergamot Waters by Bath and Body Works. I'm going to make me some coffee. I am, it's like slow to light, going to make some breakfast poppers, which are Snickerdoodle mini muffin mix, but I already have the I have the recipe for it. I'm hot, sorry. I'm so hot always. And my door opens weird, but the light should come this way. But I have the regular recipe for this as well that I'm gonna do at some point. So welcome to that. I was like, it says put in a 24 muffin tin, and I was like, I don't have one. And then I look, and of course I've got one because I've got everything. Or I find ways to get everything. I don't know what else I need in this kitchen right now except for a bigger crock pot. Anyway, I am going to make these for breakfast, and I'm going to clean my kitchen, and I'm going to get oxtail on. So I've got a busy little morning here in the kitchen. And that's that. So I just wanted to come on and say good morning. I know I feel a little, so my hair has not been curled or anything. This is just from it being molded. And I've not done anything. You see my grays coming through. Thank God that's the only place I have grays. But your girl got a little bit of swing. I'm so excited about that. See how flat and beautiful my hair is when it lays flat? And it's been permed. Yeah, so I would never be able to go natural. Number one, I'm not a natural girl, but I'm so in love with the natural movement. Like, so many girls have big, full, beautiful hair. Guess it just won't be me. But anyway, yeah, so that is what the morning looks like, and we'll see what the afternoon looks like. I kind of want to take the drone out and play with it, so hopefully that's what the afternoon looks like. The winds have calmed down. Last night they were at like 40 miles per hour, but it is, let's go to the front door. There's a football, and my grass is coming in. Look how pretty my grass is coming in, though, even though I only have a little bit. But look how pretty it is. Of course, this is the backyard, but look how pretty and green my grass is. So excited about that. But yeah, see how calm and still it is? So excited about it being a nice day. Hopefully me and Javon can take our drones out. I'm trying to upgrade to a new drone. However, I don't know how to work the one that I have. So yeah. Yeah, so that's what the morning is looking like. Anyway, let's get started with the kitchen. My little god baby Lakes is here. Blakey, can you say hi?
Nice try.
Hi.
It's gonna take more than that.
That's Blake. That is my best friend's baby. So yeah. All right, let's get something done in this kitchen. Alright, you gotta stand up. And roll your sleeves up. And you're gonna hold the mixer, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. The flour will poof up a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Yay! Alright, let's mix it one more time. Push it up to 1. There we go. Ooh, now all it has cinnamon. Alright, we done. We done. How about? Hi. think we're done. All right, let's get the muffin pan. Let me get the muffin pan. Hold on. All right, we got the muffin pan. Now we got to turn the oven on. So hot. Leggy's making cookies. All right, let's do balls. All right, you gonna make some balls? Okay, so let's go. So I'm gonna make, my ball's gonna be this big, so you grab one. And then you make a ball, and the oven is ready, and put it on the tray. Put your ball down. Good job. Make one more. Put them in the oven. Let's go! Alright. Need tissue? Yeah. Alright, let's watch them. You want to see them go in the oven? Oh! Oh my goodness! Alright, the muffins are in. Great start to a Sunday morning. Sunday bakes are very, very important. As important as church. So I'm going to save, of course, some of my cappuccino to go with my Snickerdoodle Muffins. Because that is a great start to a Sunday. So yeah. So the kitchen smells amazing. And they're almost done. But it smells so good in here. Ooh, ooh. So, of course, my phone is acting crazy. I pinned my hair up because I wanted to put another warm compress on my eye. But my hair is so straight it's being untamable. So I am going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of these now, but there is another thing that you should do, which I'll do when I do the regular recipe, which you can do with any kind of like muffin or bread or anything like that, that will have a better result of the topping. And again, I'll do that when I do the real version of this. So I'm gonna put these on. I can't wait to get a new kitchen. I swear I can't. So as we progress, hopefully you'll see the progression. So I am going to take the rest of this cinnamon and sugar mix, and I'm going to sprinkle it. What happened to my teaspoon? Oh, it's in the dish. I'm like, I just washed all the dishes from baking. Something my grandmother instilled in me when I was younger. She's like, when you cook, bake, and clean and do Thanksgiving dinner or whatever, you have to clean up throughout. Otherwise, it's just a mess. So I'm going to take and sprinkle this over everything. Let's see if we can get you guys a better view this way. Yes. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright, and so there you have it. Snickerdoodle Muffins. Pour one here. These needed some more, like the big ones, but oh wow. Alright, so I'm going to have one. Let's taste them and see how they go, even though they're not. Let's take a little one. Let's take a little one and taste it. Wow, it's nice and hot. And because it's hot, the cinnamon will caramelize and the sugar will caramelize just a little bit on top. Which really makes for the added bonus on top. So let's see. I'm not a muffin eater at all. But these are so good. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. So good. So good. Which one are we going to try? Let's get a... You want to try the small one?
This one.
Oh, well, get that one then, if that's the one you want to try. All right, let's see. You got to taste it. What you think?
Good.
You think it's good?
Yeah.
Did we do good?
Yes.
We did good?
Yeah.
Yes. The munchkin is up. Say good morning. What are you doing?
I was connecting the internet.
Oh, you was connecting her to internet. You say thank you?
Thank you.
You got your muffin, boo.
Yeah.
Your Snickerdoodle's muffin. Let me take a picture. Go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Not without brushing your teeth. You better get your life together. No. Give me a kiss, though. No kisses? Blake, let me take a picture so I can send to mommy. I know you so over my pictures. Come here. All right, hold your muffin. Smile. Got it. You want to give me a kiss? Huh? Before I make you hold the muffin and smile. Give me a kiss. See? We won't be eating in this kitchen. And I have a surprise for you today. So if I don't get any kisses, let me tell you what you're not getting in this kitchen today. I'm dead serious. Why can't I have a kiss?
I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Well, then go brush your teeth so I can get a kiss.
You said so.
How you not going to kiss your mother in the morning?
You said so. She was like,
That's how she smiles.
well, don't keep on eating somebody.
I say, I'm not going to eat anybody legs.
I'm not going to eat you anymore.
Anymore? Is the muffin good? Yay! Is it good?
Yeah.
You like, why are you still filming me? Alright, so we need some white paint to paint this wall. He got you on there. And this door, since I'm going to have to push the renovation a little bit and the spring is coming up for spring break, I'm just going to do like a rough patch in the kitchen. I'm going to spray paint this, which we kind of scraped all of the grease and stuff off, but like this backsplash, all of that. So we're going to paint just a little bit, or I'm going to paint just a little bit to try and make it look a little bit more presentable until I can make a new kitchen, which is soon. The struggle continues. The struggle continues. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to... This eye is definitely healing, so I'm going to put a water compress on it. We've already had our morning muffins. Oh, I got to clean the microwave, and I'm going to clean the microwave.